Sharma's Travelogues at Sheraton.
We usually go to these 5-star restaurants where we pay huge bills. We expect certain kind of service and we expect a certain kind of food quality.
I was so happy to find that balance here at Sheraton in Navi Mumbai after a very long time. Starter का तो मजा ही आ गया. Let me take you to their Pani Puri stand. Not only they offered different pani flavors, they also had variety of crispy puris.
So enough about my experience today at 4 Points by Sheraton, Asian Kitchen. अब चलते हैं और देखते हैं क्या डिस्प्ले में है, what's the spread like, so that you can get an idea if you're planning to come here someday or some evening.
Mr. Hemant, who had recently joined Sheraton, was amazing and spared some time in suggesting and sharing some insights about buffet variety on different days.
जैसे आज कोस्टल स्प्रेड था, तो मटन एंड चिकन का अलग से भी स्प्रेड होता है?
मटन का भी अलग होता है.
अच्छा.
प्लस कोस्टल इसमें जो है उसमें आपको वैरायटीज ऑफ सी फूड मिलेगा. उसमें सुरमई मिलेगा आपको, भंगड़ा है, क्रैब्स है और राइस है, ब्राउन राइस, वो सब है कोस्टल के.
This restaurant is busy. Today is weekday, dinner time, but
उसके बावजूद वेटर्स और फ्लोर मैनेजर टेबल्स को काफ़ी अच्छी तरह अटेंड और ख्याल रख रहे थे, which was so nice to experience. We were really happy with the variety of spread. So, if you're planning your brunch or dinner here, आप यहाँ बेझिझक एक बार ट्राई ज़रूर करिए. By the way, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. And check out our other videos.